Hello, and welcome to the Trellis Studio. I'm John Smieja, Vice President of Circularity here at Trellis, and I'm excited to welcome Chelsea Davis to the studio. Chelsea is a Senior Product Manager for Atrius Energy and Sustainability. Chelsea, great to see you, and welcome to the Trellis Studio.
Thanks so much for having me, John.
So for those in our audience who don't know, can you describe a little bit about Atrius in a few sentences and tell us about your role at the company?
Yeah, so Atrius is a cloud-based SaaS product. We're a subsidiary of Acuity Brands, and we provide software that helps reshape the way people operate, work in, and experience spaces. I specifically work on our energy and sustainability products, which help organizations centralize resource and energy consumption data and equipping them with tools to report, analyze, and drive toward reduction targets.
Excellent. So with that background out of the way, I'm curious how customers are currently using the energy and sustainability solutions from Atrius to improve their performance of their spaces.
Yeah, so the Atria's energy and sustainability products really work best when they're used together. But the energy product is specifically for energy and resource management. So allowing organizations to gain access to their operational data. So bringing in BMS data or utility bill data, centralizing it in one place, and using tools and visualizations to help them see what's going on across their organization. With that data and in tandem with the sustainability product, they can report on data all the way through scope 1, 2, and 3 for the sustainability reporting mandates, the building level energy reporting mandates, as well as using the tools to set those targets and track progress against them.
Excellent. So from my time back in corporate sustainability, I remember the data collection being the hardest. So does Atrius support that data collection? How are customers working with you on the data side of it?
Yeah, that's a great question. And especially as we look at all of the data that's required for sustainability reporting these days, there's a wide span of data that exists in an organization from the scope 1, scope 1 and 2, energy focused data, all the way through scope 3, which can span purchasing data, HR data, data that exists in all of these disparate systems. And a software platform like Atrius can really help automate that data collection and also give options for these different data owners to visualize the data in one place.
Excellent. Yeah, getting data out of spreadsheets and into a SaaS platform was definitely helpful when I was doing this work a few years ago. So knowing now how people are using this product to improve their spaces, how do you see this evolving over the next 5 to 10 years? Where's this going?
Yeah, I think, especially with my experience working at Atrius, I've already seen a few evolutions. We started with the Atrius Energy product, where we saw most of our customers focusing on driving energy reductions and driving cost reductions. I think in the last 10 years and even before, it was all about cost savings. And then there was a few organizations that were interested in maybe the sustainability side of things. In the last few years, sustainability reporting has been the huge topic. We're expanding out from energy, looking across the organization, and actually having to track and report on that data. So we've seen this shift with just how team roles are organized at organizations. A sustainability manager who was focused on reduction now is responsible for data management and reporting. And I think we're starting to see the reporting piece both lighten up in some areas, with the regulations changing in certain areas, but also as organizations have gotten more experienced and outlined these reporting roles, it has freed up some of the managers' time to then again look at, okay, we're reporting and we've set these targets. Now we need to get back into the reduction. And so I think it's been a little bit of a wave, but I think we're all going to see it tied together in the coming years.
Yeah, and I guess anything we can do to expedite the reporting so people can get back to work on improving their operations is good. With a
Exactly.
little bit of time we have left, what would you recommend for companies that are just sort of starting out in this space, whether they're small or medium enterprises or just haven't really done this in the past?
I think for companies that are just starting out, it's important to just get started. I think it can be really overwhelming where to start. I know there's lots of talk in the sustainability reporting world about materiality assessments. So that's a really great place to start. Just have an idea of what's actually important to your overall carbon footprint so you don't have to dive deep into every area, is a great way to start.
That's awesome advice. Chelsea, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you.
So, everyone, you just heard from Chelsea Davis, Senior Product Manager for Atrius Energy and Sustainability. Have a great day, and thanks for joining us in the Trellis Studio.